one of the kitchen gadgets that works the hardest can be your dishwasher. After all, it takes care of washing the necessary items like pots, pans, glasses, cutlery, plates, and other utensils. However, food particles and mineral buildup may prevent your dishwasher from operating at its peak efficiency. To prevent clogs, leaks, and damage, it's important to keep it clean, and cleaning a dishwasher is a crucial component of maintaining an appliance. For optimum operation, cleaning your dishwasher once every 30 days is advised. Our video on how to clean a dishwasher super fast can help. Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts! Welcome to Cleaning Hacks channel. It's time to tackle a chore that often gets overlooked, but can make a huge difference in your daily routine. In this video, we're going to share our top-notch tips for getting your dishwasher back in its prime condition in 6 easy steps. Stick around and say goodbye to those stubborn food stains and unpleasant smells. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Begin your dishwasher cleaning journey by collecting the essential tools for the task. Arm yourself with warm water, distilled white vinegar, baking soda, a toothpick, a toothbrush, a microfiber cloth, and rubber gloves. This array of supplies will empower you to effectively tackle the cleaning process and restore your dishwasher's optimal performance. Step 2. Remove the filter, utensil holders, and dishwasher racks. Dive deeper into the cleaning process by disassembling your dishwasher's internal components. Extract the filter, utensil holders, and racks, and submerge them in a solution composed of warm water and 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. Allow this mixture to permeate for a minimum of 30 minutes. During this time, the vinegar's cleansing properties work to dislodge and dissolve accumulated grime, contributing to a thorough cleanse. Step 3. Clear out all debris. With components removed, thoroughly inspect the dishwasher's interior. Devote attention to the spray arms, sidewalls, corners, filter, and dispenser. These hidden spaces often conceal debris that can hinder your dishwasher's efficiency. Armed with a toothbrush and toothpick, meticulously cleanse these areas. The combined action of these tools ensures the elimination of lingering food particles and residues. Step 4. Run the dishwasher on a hot water cycle with vinegar. Elevate your dishwasher's cleaning process by introducing white vinegar. Position a dishwasher-safe bowl containing 1 cup of distilled white vinegar on the lower rack. Initiate a hot water cycle. The vinegar's acidic nature, combined with the heat, catalyzes the breakdown of stubborn grime, encompassing food remnants, grease, soap scum, and other deposits. This dynamic duo works in tandem to revitalize the interior and enhance overall cleanliness. Step 5. Run another short wash cycle with baking soda. After the vinegar-infused cycle, advance to a new phase of the cleaning ritual. Sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda evenly across the dishwasher's base. Engage in a brief wash cycle. Baking soda's innate abrasive qualities come to the forefront, engaging in a thorough scrubbing action. Stains are eradicated, odors are neutralized, and the dishwasher's interior is imbued with a renewed sense of freshness. Step 6. Clean the outer dishwasher door. Grab a cleaning designed especially for the surface of your dishwasher. For instance, if it's stainless steel, seek for a cleaning product designed for stainless steel. All-purpose cleansers might scratch steel or leave a streaky surface, so use caution. Another route to take? Make a homemade cleaner. Dish soap, water, and white vinegar can be used to create a simple DIY cleanser that is suitable for all dishwasher surfaces. Swipe a microfiber cloth in the grain of the surface after dipping it in the soapy water and squeezing off any excess. For a spotless, fingerprint-free finish, rinse your cloth before making another pass over the surface. Be sure to use your damp cloth to clean the handles and control panel as well. There are several advantages to having knowledge of dishwasher maintenance. You'll notice that the machine is not only more attractive and pleasant to the eye, but also more efficient. You'll have cleaner dishes because the gadget can now be fully used with soap and water spraying through it at full strength. In fact, if your dishes begin to have muck remaining adhered to them after being washed in the dishwasher, your dishwasher likely needs a deep clean. Learn how to correctly load a dishwasher so that you can maintain cleanliness between deep cleanings, and try to do so once every 6 months to keep your dishwasher functioning at its best. If your dishwasher includes a self-cleaning sanitizing cycle, you ought to use it once a month in addition to that 6-month deep clean. The sanitizing cycle kills 99.9% of the bacteria and food soil that a conventional wash cycle leaves behind by operating hotter and for a longer period of time. You can have a fresh on hand if your dishwasher lacks a sanitizing cycle. The foamy tablet Afresh is intended to be used with a regular full cycle and works to remove residue and dishwasher detergent buildup. And there you have it, folks. Your dishwasher is now super clean and ready to tackle your dirty dishes with gusto. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and hello to sparkling cleanliness. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen hacks and cleaning guides. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on more helpful tips. Subscribe now and explore our other videos for all things home and lifestyle. Connect with us on social media for daily inspiration. Thanks for watching.